Okay, guys, I'm going to show you this bowling place, this bowlerama en Llanogrande, Rionegro, Colombia. Les voy a mostrar, muchachos, esta bolera, este boliche en Llanogrande, Rionegro, en Colombia. Stay tuned. Manténganse sintonizados. Le voy a quitar el audio en muchas partes y le pongo música de fondo. I'm going to take the audio off in many parts and just put ambient music because there was copyright music. Porque había música con derecho de autor. So we're here at the bowling alley, Bolera, Llanogrande, the bowling place. And this is the third floor. And look, we're going to go bowling, y'all. Bowling. Bowling, 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 rolling, rolling. I love bowling. I haven't bowled in forever. I think the last time I bowled, I was nuts. And Mariana's just hopping along because she's happy about playing, not playing, but bowling. And it says play bowling and enjoy. You don't play bowling. You go bowling. You bowl. It's not play bowling. It says play bowling. Sorry, I'm an English teacher, so I see the grammatical mistake in that one. Play. And enjoy. Okay, I guess Mariana has a point there too with the grammar. Oh yeah, look, because here the comma's here. Play, have fun, and enjoy life. So there should be a comma, but there isn't a comma. Nice. Oh, look at the bathrooms here, the wash closets. Wow, this place looks off the hook. You came here just to take pictures?
Yes, because my mom had to do the reservation for today.
Uh-huh.
I was with some friends and we need to take pictures on the place.
Wow. This is nice. Awesome. This looks good. This is like old school, nice. The whole place. What did she do? She just dropped the ball? And our names. All right, better. Sandro's going for the second.
Sí mismo.
Sí. Come on. Oh. Vamos. Ah.
Okay, Grandpa Louie. Okay, let's see. Oh, all right, vindication. Whoa, yeah. Excellent.